Okay, this is an update on all of the coops. Wow, what a difference a day makes. My husband stayed home yesterday, and we finished up this coop here, which is a double coop. He had a drunk mouse in his pocket, and the drunk mouse's name was Chris. He painted that. We got this one completed, and as you can see, I got babies back here. I've got my blue black splash Polish here. Jack, Dina Butt, Jenny, and my two oddballs, my Houdan and my Appenzeller Spitzhauben, are in there, in the jail now. Although I was supposed to paint the jail and finish the trim, and I couldn't find the paint. I just found it after I had freaked myself out. So I'll come back and paint that, and then I'll update again. And then this is going to be the Salon, as you can see. And oh my God, I'm afraid of heights. That was terrifying. I was on that ladder at the second step. Holy crap. I think Phil painted that, but this he completed. He did the false front on that. There's my Shiloh, my old man. He's an old man. He's like 15 years old. But we completed this, and look, so they got quite a bit of room in here. He decided, since everybody cuddles together to do, and they all want the high bar, we decided to try this and see how it works. But here's all my silver lace Polish. And you can see my Appenzeller right there. So. And this, of course, is the barn we've had and that we expanded into, which I touched up a little bit of that. You can tell, you can see some white around. If my husband had done it, there'd have been no white extra, none. But, and then here is the livery office, and this is where my little coachins live. And we didn't quite get the false fronts done on these two, so I think that's going to be the cafe, and that's where my gold Polish is, and that is going to be an attorney's office, like a solicitor. So, but we got all that paint done. My husband, God love him, we got a paint sprayer, an airless paint sprayer, again, which I said I would not do, but it was worth it. It was $30, and he painted all of this last night in like an hour or two. So it was worth the $30. But anyways, we had concrete. I knew there was like some sand or yucky stuff in the gel paint. Yeah, it's concrete paint. It had grit. Guess what? 2 seconds in the sprayer, it was gone. Dead sprayer. But anyways, I thought you guys would like to see how my little town is shaping up. It looks really good. I'm so happy with it. The only thing I didn't want to be that close on the blue. If you'll look at the blue over there, I didn't want the blues to be that close. But it's kind of hard when you're looking in fluorescent lighting at the store. But this is my crazy, crazy, cool ass western town my husband's building for me for my chickens. It's amazing.